Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a whole box of Aespa photocards over here. Alright, so Karina, Giselle, Winter, and Ning Ning. Fantastic box over here. We have a whole box of photocards. So I think that's about how many? 144 photocards. Fantastic. So let's get right into it and open up the box. And we can see what we get inside the box. Alright, so it comes like this. We can nicely little flap over here. And we get all the photo cards over here. Let's just take it out. Alright, so we have... Oops, do. Okay. Okay, you know what? I'm going to put it back in the box. And I'm going to slowly take it out one by one. I'm just... Oopsie. Okay, let me just try and get this. Okay, get the flips out. Alright, flips out. And I'm gonna put this right over here. And we're gonna start opening the photo cards to see what we get. Alright, so I did quite a number of this previously. Ooh, look at that. We got a Giselle card. Oh, it's a transparent card over here. Very nice text taker. Then okay, so one whole set. That's nice. So all right, cool. That over here. Got a signature at the back as well. Ning Ning. And a group card. Let me just bring it closer to you guys so you guys can see. So you can see Ning Ning's signature here. Ning Ning, right? Yeah, Ning Ning. There you go, Winter. Very cool. Karina. Cool. And then we have Giselle. Very cool. Alright, so this is one whole set, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, which is the group photo, which is fantastic. Very nice. I like it. Alright, so next pack. I'm guessing it'll be the same. I mean, not the same cards. I mean, like, you get the same kind of thing. So you get one acrylic card right here, one transparent card as Winter. Alright, nice. Super cool. I'll put them right over here. Cool. And then alright, Winter. Very nice, Winter. We got all of them. Let me just very cool. Wow, this card looks wow. I like the print quality of this though. Oh yeah, don't see my nails by the way. Just very cool. Let's see what we get next, shall we? I'll do I think there's this thing called I keep my whatever cards, photo cards thing. There we go, Winter, another rendition of Winter over here. Fantastic, Winter. I'll keep it as a set. I'll decide how I'll do it later on. I can't Giselle. Sorry, Ning Ning. Oops. Ning Ning, we have the group photo over here. Karina and Giselle over here. Keep confusing Giselle and Ning Ning for some reason. I don't know why. It's just that. Oh, sorry, that's here. Radio, and we got Ning Ning over here. Right, let's just put him like this, nice and spaced out. Fantastic. Ooh. The cast looks fantastic, doesn't it? It's just very nice. Cool. Nice. I mean, these cards are not like official products. I would say these are like what do you say? Fan inspired, right? Yeah, I think these are like fan inspired kind of cards. So, but they look good though. They look really good. So let's see. Group photo. That's nice. Ooh, a double. Cool. Okay. Nice. All the group photos. Very nice. Super cute. Turn it this way. Nice. Okay. Let's square them up a little bit. Taking up quite a number of space if I keep separating them. Alright, let's go! Speed run. Plenty of cuts. Nice, another group photo. Fantastic. I'm just gonna go through them quickly. Because they are just photos, right? So just gonna try and just get through them nice and quick. Or shall I just open them all first? I think I'll do that. Let's just open all of them. Much faster that way. Just open them all. Stack them. And we shall see what we get. Yeah, I think this is much faster. People got places to go. People to see. I mean, I just want you guys to see what you get from these boxes. Which I think are very nice. Very good value. Ooh, a different style of cards. Aespa. So all these cards are really good value. I think it's like $1 a pop, something like this. I think so, which I think is fine. For photo cards, I think for the print and everything, even if you do it yourself, $1 is like pretty cool. Pretty good value. I mean, even if you do it yourself, you gotta go with trouble of finding a picture, getting a printer, printing it out, and then cutting it and stuff. I think $1 for the photo is pretty good value. Alright, so got all of them up and opened. Very nice. Alright, let's look through, shall we? Alright, we've got Giselle here. Very nice. Ooh, what's this? Are they the same? What? Yeah, they're the same, aren't they? Yep, they're the same. Oh, so it's two. Oh, nice. Okay, so it's two variants of the same photo. That's cool. Okay, so Karina is here. Okay, wait, we are miss. I don't know. I'm lost, but it's fine. No problem. So we'll see like this. Just flip through pretty quickly. I mean, not quickly, but you know, it's don't see my hand. You can see the pictures. Ding ding. Just flip through them. Sci-fi. I mean. Giselle. Okay, so we got a lot from the. Ooh, this is nice. Got a lot from the sci-fi kind of thing. From the Whiplash, yeah. Winter. Still the same. Whiplash. Winter again. Nice. Not complaining. Winter is great. Winter is good. Winter is fantastic. Let's keep going. Ning ning. Okay. Alright, it's Karina. Cool. Wow. The aesthetic though is like very similar aesthetic. Look at that. Cool. Very nice, very simple. Yeah, I think this will look damn nice in my binder. Show you guys how I do it. Why are all the things on the same, bruv? Three the same pictures. Come on, man. I need some variations of Ning. Okay. Yeah, so... Okay, all these are the same for some reason. Winter. Nice. Well. Okay, so it's almost all the similar style of pictures. Okay. Ooh, it's cool. This is very nice. Some variation from their silver and black outfit. Giselle. Ooh, that's nice. Fantastic. Cool. Okay, go Ning Ning. Oh, this is a nice picture. This is from that song. What's the song? I just left my head again. When I remember. When you just, you know, like, you just something you know it, but you can't, you just forgot, you just forget, I like their cover of Dreams Come True. From that's like that's the song that actually like it just brings back like nostalgia, nostalgic vibes. And then of course other songs like man, I'm just drawing a blank. I mean, Whiplash is nice, but I like Mamba, Black Mamba. Yes, I think it's, oh my god, I totally forgot what's the name of that song. Black Mamba, I like that song, super cool. Right, and yeah, other songs as well. But alright, so we end up with a nice, cute photo of them. Very cool, super nice, super cool. Good photo. Alright, fantastic. So that's the end of the unboxing of the Aespa photo cards. We'll do a binder thing soon. I think right after this video, the next video will be a binder video. So look out for that. Subscribe, leave a comment, like the video, and then next I got this as well. Wait, one moment. We have this Stray Kids. All right, so I'll be unboxing Stray Kids, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 members in Stray Kids. All right, so I'll unbox this next, and do subscribe so you know, and ring the notification bell, of course, so you know that when the video is out, and you will not miss it. And then we'll do a same thing. We'll put in our binders and see how we go from there. Alright, that's the end of the video. If you like it, leave a comment, like the video, subscribe for more, and bye-bye.